Hello, I'm Stephen Watson here at Deep River Landing in Deep River, Connecticut with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider developing a post-class assessment. There's a lot of different ways to do this, of course, but what I'm particularly thinking of here is an assessment of what categories, let's say, of the chi, of the attention, of the body, of the types of movements were practiced or practiced well in your workout, in your session. And I think many of us are likely to feel like, well, something's lacking. Maybe I left it out entirely. Maybe I didn't really emphasize it enough. Maybe now that I'm thinking about it, I tried to do it, but that's when I was pretty inattentive. Or I just did a little hint of it, but I really focused on these other things. Maybe that's footwork. Maybe that's shoulder mobility. Maybe that's breath focus. Maybe it's Fajin, I don't know, whatever the categories might be, and develop a practice of sort of post-class assessment, after action report, if you like, and then put that into your notes for one of your next sessions, maybe your very next session, so that I realize I've kind of left this out. And so I want to make sure I include it in my next session or in my next month of classes or my next semester or my next weekend of training or whatever that is. And the point is to just be present for the effects of the practice that you've had, rather than sort of critiquing and judging it in a way that you feel like you're underperforming and not worth something or worth less than you might have. So to shift the focus from perhaps the negative focus on my practice, now that I've paid attention when I left out or didn't attend to well enough, and instead just focus on how did that practice leave me? And then put it in my notes for next time. I'll get to it next time. Okay? So thank you very much. There's always something to work on, and there's always something to feel.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.